He's trying to get away. Whoa! It's a shark! Run away, microboats, run away!
Welcome to Canadoodle Toy Reviews.
Hi, Hudson.
Hi, Mommy.
What are we doing today?
Microboats!
Wow! Let's see these microboats. Those are so cool.
Well, the white one and the purple one and the huge one and the huge box.
Wow.
And the microboat and the big fierce shark.
We have the Zuru microboats. Defeat the shark and speed to victory. Shark Attack Challenge. Get ready for some epic speedboat racing action. Launch your boats and watch them race in 4 directions, spinning out in a 360-degree donut. Think you can speed faster than the shark can bite? Prove your need for speed. The race starts now.
Kids, let's open the microboat. Unopened. This one works.
Wow.
Kids, the motor spins.
It's working.
Daddy helps. You gotta get the elastic off, buddy.
I like that microboat. I like the white boat. He goes super duper fast.
Okay, here we go.
I'll show the kids. Kids, there, the motor spins.
What color is that boat?
Green, purple.
What should we do now, buddy?
The big box.
The huge box.
Yeah.
Okay, let's open it up. Let's find that shark.
It'll be so creepy.
There you go.
I can see the shark. Now let's get the microboat out. Kids, we got the microboat out.
A yellow one?
Yeah.
There are 5 different kind of boats, and we have the purple and green, the white and red, and the Playset Exclusive yellow and red. Let's build that track so we can start racing our microboats.
Yeah, even that shark will fight the microboats. And it's this. That always comes with this.
We don't even know what that is yet.
I don't know.
Think it's for water?
I know what it is. It's a cup.
That's a cup.
It's a cup.
I see the shark.
The shark. It's
a
going to
shark.
bite us. I can see this.
He's trying to get away. Whoa!
Back up too.
He's going backwards.
Let's do it. Mommy, let's grab a boat. Gotcha.
Whoa.
Ah, you're not going anywhere.
Those are so fun. Whoa, there goes the yellow one.
Oh, shark's gonna get him. Hudson.
Oh no. Oh, the shark got him.
Look, he's going super duper fast. The white one is going super duper fast.
Is he? The first boat to do a figure 8 wins. On your mark, get set, go.
Go purple one, go.
Oh, 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 oh. I think the green one's winning. Green one.
Oh yeah, Daddy won.
I'm gonna race. Go.
And Daddy's gonna be the white one. On your mark, get set, go. Come on, yellow boat. Come on, yellow.
Daddy's white. Go white. Go white. Go white. Go white.
Oh,
Oh, Hudson is winning. Dad's going.
oh.
Oh.
Hudson won.
Let's go down.
I'm down.
Oh, he's swimming.
Hey, I'm the big two. No. Sean, don't eat me. Got Nemo. Got Nemo.
Poor Nemo.
Got Nemo's head. Come on, go. Go white, go. Go white. Push Nemo ahead. Uh-oh, here comes this crane. It's going to get the unbreakable. It's going to get unbreakable. Michael boat. Let's go backwards.
Hudson, Nemo's stuck.
Oh no!
What are we gonna do? You gonna save Nemo?
Oh, I said
Nemo's so cute in there. It's a shark! Run away, microboats, run away!
I'll catch the shark. You with my microphones on roll. Shark, please.
That shark is trapped.
He never get out.
No, he's stuck now. You can't get your microboats.
You want to see more? Microphones play on the please play. Bye!
Bye!
Please click on these videos for Canadoodle Toy Fun.